This kind of competition encourages people to seek better and better skills. Besides the skills, we also need for them to understand the science, the technique, and the method of working. So that's the importance of a competition.
This morning when we come here, we should check all the things up here and we start making the stuff. So new place, new equipment, all the chefs will support you here, and some of the chocolate, some of this flour, all A-class. Everything is A-class.
The biggest challenge for me is the proofing time and the weighing, the exact scale of each bread. All the quality of their ingredients is very high quality, and it's good, especially the flour they are using. The kitchen is a very nice kitchen, and all their equipment is very good.
It's been interesting to be in a kitchen where you don't know the equipment, don't know the environment, how it's going to work, and especially when you're dealing with a bakery, which is a living organism, so it reacts differently. So I'll give them a good mark for being here, being ready to compete. It's been encouraging, actually.
Oh, it's been going great. I think we have some real talent there. Now going into the second day, I hope that we are exceeding. The guys have been a bit nervous yesterday, so I hope all the nervousness is gone. They're confident and they nail day 2.
I think it's important that the schools, the professionals in this field pass on the knowledge, pass on the experience, motivate the potential candidates with the passion of the craft, with the passion of the products, and with what it represents.
The advice is very clear. This is to choose every competition what they can participate in and practice. Practice, practice, practice. If they don't have the chance to practice in their facility, in their hotel restaurant, choose a place like this and learn.